Hi, this is Professor Genovese. When you come to get your lab kit, whether you're accessing the campus by Old Trenton Road or off Hughes Drive, if you take the loop road around, go past the conference center, the AD building, and park in the first student lot on your left by the solar panels, you can then take the sidewalk down, right to the Health and Science building. Right, here we are. We're there. Right, go upstairs. Try to do this quickly. To the second floor. There's a QR code in your lab kit. Please check to make sure that you have all the equipment that should be included. If you're missing something or something needs to be replaced, dropped all your test tubes in a minor lab accident, you can always contact me and come pick up some new supplies. Outside HS 218, just up ahead, you'll see we have this little, tan shelf. This is typically where we'll put extra supplies you might need. I can put it on the bulletin board or on the shelf itself. Attach your name. Right down in the middle of the building, past the vending machines, you'll get to HS 213. Right. So you're just going to go through the double glass doors. Your lab kits will be on a cart, and just check off and sign your name. If for some reason your name is not on the list, just add it to the bottom.